Evolution, a fact or just a theory? Concept of evolution started as a means to explain the phenomenon of a changing living world over a period and to interpret remarkable similarities in the living forms of diverse groups. It has now become a well established fact like Newton's law of gravitation because of supportive observation by comparative anatomists, field naturalists, geologists, paleontologists, geneticists, and biochemists. Occurrence of transitional living forms like peripatus and a variety of fossils support the view of gradual evolution of new forms from pre-existing old organization. Such transitional forms are intermediate between two groups having characters of both the groups. For example, fossil Archaeopteryx with its feathers, teeth, claws, and lizard-like skeleton shows transition between reptiles and birds. Fossil hominids from Africa with human-like dental arc, small brain, arms longer than present humans but shorter than modern apes, with pelvis, feet, and legs for upright walking support the view that man and apes have arisen from some common ancestor. Major unsolved problems of evolution. Despite years of research and accumulation of a lot of knowledge in various fields of life sciences, some challenges to evolutionary science remain unanswered. Some of these unsolved problems are: number one, origin of life. How did living matter originate from non living matter? Was it a process that happened only once or many times? Can it happen today under natural or artificial conditions? These are some of the questions which remain unanswered. In spite of well documented theory of biochemical origin of life by Oparin and Haldane, evidences are lacking for support. Number 2. Origin of sex. The following questions regarding sexuality and sexual reproduction remain unanswered. Why is sexuality so widespread in nature? How did maleness and femaleness arise? If sexuality is so important for maintaining genetic variability, why and how many microorganisms can do without it? How can we account for phenomena like parthenogenesis? Number 3. Origin of phyla. Can we trace any relationship between existing phyla and those that existed in the past? Transitional forms between phyla are almost unknown and fossil records, if any, are incomplete. Hence, disagreement still exists about the number and relation of various present day phyla. Number 4. Cause of mass extinction. Mass extinction has occurred many times on Earth since life originated. However, there is no agreement on causes of repeated extinction of life forms. Asteroids are considered to be one main reason for extinction, but are far from proven as a cause of worldwide extinction. Similarly, punctuated equilibrium theory is considered to account for the sudden appearance of new groups and long persistence of others. It has raised many questions about stability and extinction of species. Importance of evolution. Evolution is not just important for biology, it is central to it because all life on earth has been shaped by evolution's key principles, that is, natural selection and common descent with modification. Theory of evolution provides a means to understand the complexity in the living world. The mechanism of evolution of resistance to antibiotics in bacteria. The mechanism of evolutionary adaptations. Theory of evolution tells us that we human beings are not something different from all other living things, but we are the products of same evolutionary processes by which other organisms have come into existence. Through evolution, we become aware that living forms have descended from other varieties of living things. The organisms that populate the living world are not fixed entities but are constantly undergoing modification.